YouTube. It's old man.
My name on man, you know I'm talking smooth. Yo, bitch looking at mama cool, dude. I'm smoking on the gas, smoking pool. I'm Jerry, rapping smooth. Ain't no rapping, nah, ain't no rapping, dude. No, I grab it. That's shoe. That's shoe.
YouTube. Nigga, we back, man. Where I'm at? Highway. I'm on the highway, y'all. And y'all see I got my work clothes. I just got out work. Well, I ain't just got out work, but not too long ago, just got out work. Directing traffic out here, boy. Bessie gone, man. Bessie done died, bro. Hey. Oh, that's a dog. No, it ain't. It's a little dog. Thumbnail. Bessie done gave out, y'all. So, I don't know, bro. I ain't no bad mood, though, you feel me? This ain't the first time a car done gave out on me. But look. SRT on the way. On the way. What the way? We messed up the way, bro, but big trust. Ah!
Think if I roll this corn down, it'll go all the way down.
That corn? Try it. YouTube, I know y'all meet me, bro. Niggas just ain't been feeling this, you know? Record. I ain't really been doing it. I have been doing stuff. I ain't gonna tell y'all no tough story. I just ain't been I just ain't been recording y'all, man. But I'm back on it every day now. I ain't got no choice. I go get that scat. A little earlier than I thought. More light required. Now you got too much light, nigga. Ah! Sky look good though. How long ago you called, buddy? Long time. Tow truck ain't pulled up yet. I called tow truck. But hey, the sale come from Brandon. But hey, it ain't here yet. So hey. Y'all proud of me? I ain't curse yet. I got a boo basket, y'all. And I got a boo. You ain't got no boo basket. I'm out here controlling the traffic. We control the traffic. I'm saying, we control the traffic. Boy, baby, man, got the fight. Boy, throwing hands. Nigga fighting outside that motherfucker. We control the traffic. Man, what a tow truck is, son. Currently, YouTube waiting on the tow truck, bro. I'm controlling traffic right now. Not getting paid for this. At first, the first tow truck we called, man, to hit the Covenant Park, it was less than a mile, bro. Less than a mile. They want me talking about some $239.
Is that what I think it is? It is.
The tow truck! Woo! Hey, let's do it. Let's do it. Tow truck is here. Let's do it, baby. The tow truck, baby. Woo, woo, woo.
Head to the crib.
Hey.
Not leaving it. We going.
Y'all, come on. Ooh, I'm controlling the fuck out of traffic right now. Come on, baby. 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 Y'all check that. Oh, damn, bitch. That bitch in Lucha. Well, guess that's it, man. Ain't gonna lie, I'm disappointed, bro. It is what it is. Damn, bitch. And I'm back at it again, and I'm under the hood with it this time, y'all boys. Oh man, the mechanic. Oh man, the mechanic. Feel me? Benson done died. Y'all saw another video. She passed away, but it's all cool. Now we gotta figure out what's going on with her. So that's what I'm finna do. First thing first, they told me to take the positive cable off the battery and see what happened with the truck. And if don't know what happened, it's the alternator. So positive cable, and nigga told me it was the red cable. I'm finna Google it just to make sure. And I'm finna get started, man. What y'all talking about? Nigga got my boots on up this bitch. Oh, Halloween tomorrow. Kid going trick-or-treating and shit. Y'all better not let me catch y'all air lacking. I'm gonna rob y'all air for that candy, nigga. No, I'm just playing. I ain't gonna rob y'all. My father cursed too. I be forgetting, bro. But yeah, man. So let me go and get to the handyman there. You feel me? Got my little, you feel me? Got my little toolbox. Shout out Poppin' Law. Shout out Poppin' Law. You feel me? Got my little, you feel me? Handyman, motherfucker. They do it. YouTube, how about I did it all wrong, bro? I need a jump start first before I take the positive cable off. Then, when I take it off, check out the positive cable. It said, I forgot, I just watched the video on it, bro. But when you take the positive cable off, and the battery keep on running, I don't know. Ain't one of them things. You figure it out, though. I'm a real mechanic, yeah. Hell yeah. I'm gonna put the black motherfucker, hell yeah. Hell yeah. Yo, Toe, back. I had to run to the store, go buy that alternator. That junk just ran me $300. My battery dead too. Gotta get a new battery. That nigga like caveman down there, boy. I'm finna go get cut. Little Caesars! Pizza. On some handyman work, man. Right now. They sit down, but she ain't up. I remember that. YouTube, a nigga back from the store run, nigga. Had to buy a new battery, bro. Battery went out, alternator went out. Got a new socket. Finna go try to unloosen this, put it all on, bro. And if I get my truck working, fool, call me old man, the mechanic, bro. Just hit me up. Need your oil change, need some pipe blade, need your alternator change. Just hit me up, bro. What you got to say? Not a damn thing. I can't do nothing for you but pray. God damn, bitch. And I'm still up here cussing like y'all. My fault.
hard. It's like crack. So YouTube, I got the socket, bro. Got the right, you feel me? Got the right socket. I just need the little thing so I can, you feel me? So I can goddamn twist it on. Cause I ain't got the back part to it, you feel me? Got a new battery. I check out that scat motor. Best attack. Alright, bet. Let me take this in there cause I don't even know what this junk called. Let me just take it with me. So when I, you feel me? When I do my little dibble and dabble.
I said with this bag, make sure you
Make sure. I don't know, I might have to buy a whole nother wrench. So YouTube, progress being made. Got the belt loose. Feel me? Feel me? 10 mil, got the belt loose. And pull a little thing out. Now I'm finna use a little 10 mil wrench. 10 millimeter wrench. See a little cord back there? Hold on. You right here? You gotta unloosen it. Again, I gotta hit these 2 bolts right here. One bolt, 15 millimeter wrench. Then pull that joint out. Then we're gonna replace it. Put the new one in. And shit. Put the new battery in and shit. Hopefully that bitch get the cranking up and get the working. Well, I swear, if I do this though, y'all ain't gonna be able to tell me nothing. Man. Come back. Can't have none. Go get your own. YouTube. We got a problem, bro. So, y'all know I told y'all I'm gonna take out the bolts. But this right here ain't getting the job done. Yeah. This ain't getting the job done, so we're gonna need a power drill to get the bolts loose. Cause like, ain't no telling how long these bolts been in there. You know what I'm saying? Cause I ain't had to change the alternator since I got it. It's 2005 model, so you feel me? Just broke the other little piece of the socket trying to get it loose. So we just gonna wait till later, get the power drill, and we're gonna finish it out though. But I did most everything.
Damn, my bad, guy. Fucked around and dropped the damn alternator.
Alternator in their hand till somebody drop that hoe. But we're gonna finish it when we get back, bro. And hopefully Bessie be back living, man. We're just gonna take her down to the crib. Let her do it. Let her get a little dibble and dabble on up there. Feel me? Bet. YouTube, nigga, I'm back. When I tell you I just made cake in the cup. Y'all still recording? I just made cake in the cup, nigga, in 2 minutes. Look. Y'all think I'm bullshit. Look at that. Cake in the cup, boy. Hey, it good too. Taste better than your mama cake. You know your mama can't cook. Not like my mom. My mom throw that. Your mom can't cook. Is that your mama can cook?
Yeah, for sure.
Yeah, she can cook. I can vouch. But your mama can't cook, nigga. If your mama can cook, put in the comments what's her best dish. You know me. My mama go toe to toe with your mama in the kitchen, nigga. Your mama ain't messing with my mama, nigga. Tell you. I'm saying all that. No, oh, what? Face fair. All right, though. Y'all see? Y'all see? That bitch loose now. We put some of that double D40 on it. We couldn't use the power drill. What you do, dog? Let's see the other one break loose. That's the real question.
Like butter.
Yeah, WD-40, bitch. I ain't ready yet.
There we go. Now I need to go back to the YouTube video, bro.
Because the WD,
Man,
right.
made it get right.
Was out there being struggling. Didn't know what to do the whole time. All we knew was that
WD
WD.
Hey, red lose. Alright then. No. All we gotta do. Pick this up. We got pride up. We need something to pride up with. That shit can't fit. This screwdriver. The screwdriver.
This one, nothing like a screwdriver.
Yo, Toad! Let me clean that out real quick. Just here to finish the video. You feel me? No, y'all need worrying about this. What if I got the alternator out? Got the alternator out, replace the alternator, put it back on, and the truck still ain't working. She need a fuel pump, man. And I would say I'll put that junk on myself, but I ain't that handy, bro. I looked at the video, and that one kind of look difficult, bro. So now we just in the process, bro. Wait till the paycheck come, get the fuel pump, get somebody to put it on, and hopefully Bessie get the cranking up, man. But y'all still can call me old man the mechanic, man. Sorry for the curse early in the video. But till next time, we gone.
My name on man, you know I'm talking smooth. Yo, bitch looking at mama cool, dude. I'm smoking on the gas, smoking pool. I'm Jerry, rapping smooth. Ain't no rapping, I ain't no rapping, dude. No, I grab it. That's true. That's true.